There is money in the Abuja real estate market, and you too can tap from the endless possibilities that exist in this particular sector, especially in the city of Abuja. And if you are in the diaspora or you are someone who is resident in Nigeria and looking for a location that is lucrative for real estate investment, then Abuja is that city to invest in. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to earn from the Abuja real estate market. My name is Ibi Victor, your Abuja favorite realtor, and I bring you the absolute best of real estate investment right here in the city of Abuja that is safe, secured, and guaranteed to bring you huge returns on your investment. Now let's get into it. I'm going to be showing you two ways in this video that you can use to gain huge returns on investment from the Abuja real estate market. Like we already know, Abuja is the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria. It is the capital of the country, and as such, there's a whole lot of benefits that accrue from investing in a capital city. Beyond the fact that it is the seat of political power, it also enjoys certain level of stability when it comes to security, the economy, and so many other aspects that you can think of. In every capital city, you enjoy certain levels of growth that cannot be experienced in other parts of the city, and Abuja has that advantage. Abuja is a well-planned city. Abuja is divided into 5 developmental phases, and as such, development in Abuja is definitely sure and gives so much return on investment to investors who key into this particular city. As we speak presently, there is the movement of development which has gone beyond the phase 1, the phase 2, and we are still seeing some levels of movement of development within the phase 3, phase 4, and the phase 5. The good news presently is the fact that there's been the approval of the commencement of full-time development in the phase 5 of Abuja that I'm going to discuss in another video that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so that you get more information like this when I share them on this channel. But our focus for this particular video is going to be on how you can actually gain from the Abuja real estate market, what you are supposed to do or you can do to actually gain huge returns on your investment from the Abuja market. The first major way you can gain from the Abuja real estate market is through capital appreciation. Now, what is capital appreciation? This is simply the appreciation of your capital that is being infused into the sector. Now, how does this work? Majorly, this work through the vehicle of off-plan projects. Now, off-plan projects are those projects that you key into while it is still at the takeoff stage. That is to say, you make an initial deposit and that particular property is being constructed for you. And while that construction is going on, you gain appreciation from your capital. One of the major breakthroughs of real estate in Nigeria is the infusion of the payment plan option in real estate. So let's take, for instance, a 3-bedroom going for 30 million. You are made to make a down payment of 15 million. And while the project progresses, before the end of that project, you are made to make complete payment of your 30 million. At the end of that project, the project can be delivered to you at the rate of 45 to 50 million as a result of the internal and external development that must have taken place within and around that environment. And this is the power of capital appreciation. So for a property that goes for 30 million at the initial stage, you are receiving it at the amount of 45 to 50 million. And at the end of that project, you are gaining 15 to 20 million. And that is the power of capital appreciation. So another way you can make money from the Abuja real estate market is through cash flow. And this is one lucrative way in Abuja that you definitely and can at all time make money. What is cash flow, if I may ask? Cash flow is simply just the way it implies. It means money flowing towards your direction. Now, let's break it down. Let's say the house that has been handed over to you, say a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom apartment, you decide to put this property out on an annual rental income or decide to use it for Airbnb. What happens is the fact that money will continuously flow towards you, or you will continually receive rent from that particular apartment as a result of what you have put it out there for. Now, it is worthy to note that there's always a demand for apartment in the city of Abuja, be it for annual rental or for Airbnb. So whatever you decide to use that particular apartment for, it is definitely going to be yielding you continuous cash flow as a result of its existence in that location. It is worthy to note that certain house types are currently in high demand in the city of Abuja, like the 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartment. And this is not unconnected to the fact that they give you high capital appreciation and ultimately cash flow at the end or at the time of its delivery. So if you're interested in keying into any project like this that gives you capital appreciation or cash flow, the number to reach out to is right on your screen. I'll be right here to ensure that that acquisition is seamless and ultimately profitable. My name is Ibi Victor, your Abuja favorite realtor, and like I said, I bring you the best of real estate investment opportunities right here in the city of Abuja that is safe, secured, and guaranteed to bring you huge returns on your investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.